In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a vendor credit in QuickBooks Accountant. A vendor credit is what you use when a supplier issues a refund, accepts returned items, or gives you a billing adjustment. Recording it properly ensures your accounts payable is accurate, and your reports reflect the true cost of what you purchased. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Accountant. Once you're in, open your client's company file. If you're just practicing or exploring the workflow, open a sample company so you can try this without affecting real books. Having the correct company file open before you begin keeps the vendor list, items, and accounts consistent with the records you're adjusting. Next, find the New button. Depending on your layout, you'll see it at the top left or on the left sidebar. Click it, and from the list of transaction types, choose Vendor Credit. This opens the vendor credit form, which looks a lot like a bill, but it works in reverse to reduce what you owe. At the top, select the vendor who issued the credit. Make sure you pick the exact vendor that appears on the original bill or purchase. This allows QuickBooks to match the credit to that vendor's balance later. Enter the credit date as it appears on the document from your supplier. Using the correct date keeps your accounts payable aging and your period reporting accurate. Now choose where to record the details. Use the Category Details section if the credit relates to an expense, such as office supplies, professional services, or shipping. Pick the same expense account you used on the original bill so your cost lines up. Use the Item Details section if the credit is for products you track as items or inventory. Select the specific item and quantity being credited. This keeps item-level reports and, if you track inventory, quantities, and costs in sync. Enter the credit amount as a positive number. QuickBooks knows this form reduces what you owe, so you don't need to enter a negative. If there are multiple lines, enter each line with the amount that applies. Add a short memo to document why you received the credit, such as returned goods or a pricing adjustment. Clear notes here make future reconciliations faster. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. The vendor credit is now recorded. It immediately reduces the balance you owe that vendor in accounts payable, and it will be available to apply the next time you pay that vendor's bill. You'll see it as an unapplied credit that you can use to offset the bill amount, keeping your payables tidy and accurate.